Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems Microsoft Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management Training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management Training is designed to equip professionals with the skills to optimize supply chain operations using Microsoft's integrated business management solution. This training offers a comprehensive overview of SCM functionalities including inventory management, warehouse operations, and logistics. Participants learn how to utilize real-time insights and AI to improve supply chain agility, allowing organizations to better anticipate disruptions and adapt swiftly to market demands. The benefits of this training are significant. It enhances operational efficiency, reduces costs, and improves customer satisfaction by ensuring product availability and timely delivery. Furthermore, research highlights that organizations implementing Dynamics 365 SCM have seen a reduction in operational costs by up to 15% and an improvement in order fulfillment accuracy. Such training also fosters a collaborative workforce skilled in leveraging cloud-based solutions for continuous supply chain innovation. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM training. It is open to anyone interested in optimizing supply chain operations and learn integrated business solutions. What will you learn? During the course you will learn inventory management techniques, warehouse optimization strategies, real-time data analytics, AI-driven decision-making, logistics and distribution planning, cost reduction methods, supply chain resilience building. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM subject matter experts have profound understanding of supply chain management, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of Microsoft domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Overall, Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM training not only boosts individual competencies, but also drives substantial business improvements, making it a valuable investment for professionals aiming to advance in the field of supply chain management. It strategically aligns supply chains with global business transformation goals. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's Microsoft Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management Training, where you will excel in optimizing operations and implementing integrated business solutions.